Welcome to online classes for Eamcet engineering. I am Dr. Abdul Hai. Today I will discuss some problems from application of derivative. These are the previous examination questions which was asked in 2020 and 21. Write down one problem. This question is from tangent and normal. The first question is, if the tangent at a point P on the curve y is equal to 4x to the power of 4 plus x is perpendicular to the tangent to the same curve at the point origin, then the point P is, if the tangent at a point P on a curve, one curve is given, that is y equal to 4x4 plus x, and this tangent is perpendicular to one more tangent at the point origin to the same curve. So it means that there are two tangents, one tangent at some point P, another tangent at some point origin, isn't it? So both tangents are perpendicular to each other, then it means that we have to find the point at which these two tangents are intersect. The options are, write down the first option. First option is minus 1 by 2, comma, minus 1 by 4. And second option is 1 by 2, comma, 3 by 4. Third option is 1, comma, 5. And the fourth option is minus 1, comma, 3. Is it clear? Now, come to the solution. So, first of all, what I have to do? I have to find the slope of the first curve as well as slope of the second curve, isn't it? Then, now I am doing the same thing. Given curve is y is equal to 4x4 plus x. This is my first equation. So, if I want to get the slope, means differentiating one with respect to x. So, this is nothing but dy by dx is equal to 4 4 is 16x cube plus derivative of x is 1. Suppose this dy by dx is set at some point. Suppose the point is something x1 comma y1, then this becomes 16 x1 cube plus 1. Is it clear? Now, again, I am finding the slope of the same curve at the point origin. Therefore, this is nothing but my m1, m2 is equal to dy by dx at the point 0, comma 0. So, if I substitute 0, comma 0, here x will become 0, so it is nothing but 1. So, it means that m2 is equal to 1. Now, according to the problem, what he says, both the tangents are perpendicular to each other. When they will perpendicular to each other, if their product of their slope is equal to minus 1. That is m1, m2 is equal to minus 1. Is it clear? Now, what is my m1? That is 16 x1 cube plus 1 into m2. What is m2? m2 is 1 only, is equal to minus 1. So, if I shift minus 1 to this side, it becomes minus 2. That is 16 x1 cube is equal to minus 2. 2 ones are 2 8s are, or x1 cube is nothing but minus 1 by 8, or this means that x1 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. Similarly, if I substitute x1 in the curve, y is equal to first, substituting x1 is equal to minus 1 by 2 in equation 1, then what I am getting? I am getting y1 is equal to minus 1 by 4. If you substitute, you can verify. Therefore, the point P is equal to minus 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 4. Is it clear? Therefore, my answer is the first option. So this is the value of x1, this is the value of y1. Okay, this question was asked in 2021 last year examination. Come to the second question. The approximate value of 8.01 whole power of 4 by 3 plus 8.01 whole square up to 3 places of decimal. Is the options are, the first option is 80.116. Second option is 80.216. Third option is 80. And the fourth option is 80.186. Okay. Now, this question is related to errors and approximation, isn't it? So, write down the solution. What I am doing, given term is 8.01 whole power of 4 by 3 plus 8.01 whole power of 2. This can be written as 8 plus 0.01. Is it clear? Whole power of 4 by 3. Similarly, this can be written as 8 plus 0.01 whole square. If I take 8 common, this is not comes alone, but it comes with 8 power of 4 by 3, and this becomes 1 plus 0.01 whole divided by 8. 8 will come to the denominator because there is no 8 in the second term. Similarly, if I take out 8 common, this becomes 8 power of 2, and this becomes 1.001 whole divided by 8. Okay. Now, 8 power of 4 by 3 is nothing but 16 plus 1 plus, if I divide 0.01 divided by 8, I am getting 0.00125 whole power of 4 by 3 plus again 8 is nothing but 64, 1 plus again if I divide 0.01 divided by 8, so I am getting 0.00125 whole square, which is equal to, if I expand using binomial theorem, expanding using binomial theorem, I don't want to write all the terms, just I want to write the first term only. So this is nothing but 16 into this 1 plus 0 is nothing but 3.005 whole divided by 3 plus this is nothing but 64 and into, if I simplify this is nothing but 1.0025. So if I divide this, I am getting 16 into 1.00. This is 3 ones are 3. Okay, plus this 64 into this 1.002. If I multiply them, So I'm getting the answer is 80.186. That is the which option? Fourth option. So he asked up to 3 place of decimal. Therefore, the answer is 80.186. Okay. Now, come to the next question. The question is the angle between the curves. The angle between the curves. Two curves are given. 2x square plus y square is equal to 20 and 4y square minus x square is equal to 8. At a point where they intersect in the fourth quadrant is the options are, the first option is 0, second option is pi by 2, third option is pi by 4 and the fourth option is pi by 6. Okay. Now come to the solution. So what the question says, the angle between the curves, two curves are given at a point where they intersect in the fourth quadrant is. So it means that we have to find the point of intersection in the fourth quadrant. Then also we have to find the angle between them. So whatever the point lies in the fourth quadrant, at that point we have to find the angle between the curves. Is it clear? Now write down what are the given curves. First curve is given 2x square plus y square is equal to 20. This is my first equation. Okay. So if I differentiate this, differentiating with respect to x, this is 2 to the 4x plus 2y into dy by dx is equal to 0, or I want only dy by dx, therefore dy by dx is equal to, this will go to this right hand side and it will become minus, that is minus 2x by y. Similarly, second curve given another curve. What is another curve? 4y square minus x square is equal to 8. I am naming this as second curve. Differentiating with respect to x, I am getting that dy by dx is equal to x by 4y. Is it clear? Now, what he is asking? Point of intersection. So, it means that I have to solve the two curves, both 1 and 2, and I have to get the point of intersection. Okay. Now, solving 1 and 2. Therefore, point of intersection of 1 and 2 is, if I take the curve, that is 2x square plus y square is equal to 20. In this, I am substituting the second curve 2 as it is. Instead of x square, if I shift to that side, it will come inside and it become 4y square minus 8. Substituting this equation 2. Okay, plus y square is equal to 20. Right? If I simplify this, I am getting the value as 9y square is equal to 36, or y square is equal to 4, or y equal to plus or minus 2. Right? So I got one value. Now if I substitute y square is equal to 4 in the second equation, or second equation, I may get the value of x1. Therefore, x square is equal to 4y square minus 8. Here I am substituting y square is equal to 4. 4 4 is 16. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. This means that x is equal to plus or minus 2. Now, what is the point of intersection? Therefore, point of intersection in fourth quadrant is equal to 2 root 2 comma minus 2. Right? At this point, I have to find the slope of both the curve. Now, already I have differentiated equation 1 and 2. I am ready with the slope dy by dx. Therefore, if I get to this point, m1 is equal to dy by dx. At this point, that is 2 root 2 minus 2. 2 root 2 comma minus 2 is equal to, I am getting this m1 is equal to 2. Similarly, m2 is equal to dy by dx at the same point, that is 2 root 2 minus 2 is equal to, here I am getting as minus 1 by 2 root 2. Is it clear? Therefore, if I see the values of m1 and m2, they are inverse to each other. So directly I can point out that the curves are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, if I find the value of m1, m2, see what happened? m1, m2 is equal to, that is 2 root 2 into minus 1 by 2 root 2. So I am getting as minus 1. So it shows that the angle between them is 90 degrees. Therefore, angle between the curves, angle between the two curves is equal to 90 degree, or pi by 2. It is written in the form of pi by 2. Therefore, the answer is pi by 2. Is it clear? The point at which the tangent line to the curve is given, y is equal to 16 by x minus x square, is horizontal comma is. He is asking a point when the tangent to this curve is horizontal. The options are, the first option is 2 comma 4, second option is minus 2 comma minus 12, third option is 1 comma 15, and the fourth option is minus 1 comma minus 17. Okay, now write down the solution. Given curve is y is equal to 16 by x minus x square. So, what I have to do first of all? Tangent means equation of tangent, right? Therefore, I have to find the value of dy by dx. Okay? Therefore, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to derivative of 1 by x is nothing but minus 1 by x square. This becomes minus 16 by x square, minus derivative of x square is 2x. Okay, so according to the problem, tangent is horizontal to the curve means dy by dx is equal to 0. So what is dy by dx? Minus 16 by x square minus 2x is equal to 0. Or if I transfer to this side, it becomes 16 is equal to minus 2x cube, or 2 ones are 2 8s are. So x cube is equal to minus 8, or x is equal to minus 2, right? So I got one value. So at x is equal to minus 2, if I substitute in the equation 1, I may get the value of y. Substituting at x is equal to minus 2 in equation 1, instead of 8, if I write put x equal to minus 2 in equation 1. So this is nothing but y equal to 16 by x minus x square. So which gives me minus 2 means 16 by 2 is equal to minus 8, minus 4 is equal to minus 12. Therefore, the required point is equal to minus 2 comma minus 12. So which is the correct option? Yes, second option, that is minus 2 comma minus 12 is available in the second option. Therefore, my answer is second. Is it clear? Right. This question is also asked in same examination in different section. Okay. The equation, this belongs to tangents and normal. The equation of the tangent, to the curve y is equal to pi into e power of minus x by pi at the point where it crosses the y-axis. The options are, the first option is pi x plus 2y, pi x plus 2y is equal to 2 pi. Second option is 2x plus pi y is equal to pi square. And the third option is x minus y plus pi is equal to 0. And the last option is x plus y is equal to pi. I hope that by seeing the question, you may recall your IP question. Similar question is there, y is equal to e power of minus x by a. He has just twisted the question and given as y equal to pi into e power of minus x by pi. So the concept is same. What we have done in IP, the same concept we have to solve this. Only he has just twisted a little bit to this question. So if you are perfect in our intermediate syllabus, then definitely you may score good rank, right? Now write down, given curve is y equal to pi e power of minus x whole divided by pi. So tangent to the curve means directly it reflects that you have to find the value of dy by dx. Okay. So after finding the dy by dx, you have to find the equation of the tangent. Okay. So first of all, I am finding dy by dx. For that purpose, differentiating with respect to x. We get y1 is equal to pi as it is into e power of minus x, that is e power of minus x, into divide x by pi, that is 1 by pi, with negative sign because it is minus x power. So this pi cancel. So you are getting that minus of e power of minus m by pi. So this is nothing but my y1. Is it clear? So what he says, according to the problem, when the tangent crosses the y-axis, so the tangent crosses the y-axis. So it means that y-axis, that is at means at x is equal to 0. So if I put x equal to 0, this is nothing but y is equal to pi, or y1 is equal to pi. Therefore, what is the point? Therefore, slope of the tangent at the point 0, pi is, substitute here y1 at the point 0, pi is equal to minus of e power of 0. E power of 0 is equal to 1. That is equal to minus 1. So my slope is minus 1. At last, I have to find the equation of tangent. Therefore, equation of the tangent is, you know that y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What is your y1? Pi is equal to m. What is m? Minus 1 into x minus x1. What is x1? 0. So on simplifying, this is minus x will come to this side, x plus y, pi will go to the right hand side. Therefore, my answer is, what is the correct answer? X plus y is equal to 5. That is the fourth option, which is my required result. So this question also asked in 2021 in some another session. Okay? Right. If the radius of a spherical balloon is increasing at the rate of 5 inch per minute, then the rate at which the volume increases in inch cube per minute, comma, when the radius is 10 inches. So this question is belong to rate measure, isn't it? This is also asked in 2021 in some another session. The options are, the first option is 100 pi, second option is 1000 pi, third option is 2000 pi, and the fourth option is 25,000 pi. Now, I am reading the question once again. What he says, radius of a spherical balloon is increasing at the rate of 5 inch per minute. So, first of all, I write that data solution. So, this is nothing but dr by dt, 5 inches. Okay. Then, second, the rate at which the volume increases. So, it means that we have to find the volume, that is dv by dt is equal to how much? We know that volume of the sphere. What is the formula? Volume of the sphere is V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is the radius. Now, if I differentiate this, I am getting the dv by dt is equal to 4 by 3 constant, pi constant, derivative r cube is, that is 3 r square into dr by dt. So, you may see that 3 cancel, so which is leaves me 4 pi r square into dr by dt. If I substitute, the radius is given as 10 inches, so r is equal to 10. This is nothing but 4 into pi into 10 into 10, that is 100, into dr by dt is also given, that is 5. So, on simplifying, this gives me 4 by 20, 2 zeros, that is 2000 pi cubic inches, right? So, cubic inches, because everything is in inches. So, what is answer? 2000 pi. So, that is the third option. Third option. Is it clear? So, by seeing, the question is very lengthy, but answer is very simple. Okay. Seventh question. I am forgetting to mention the year in which it was asked. So, this is also asked in 2021. The question says, write down the problem. The absolute maximum value, the absolute maximum value of the function, he has defined the function f of x is equal to 2x cubed minus 9x square plus 12x plus 1 on some interval is given 0, 2 is 0, 2 is what is asking? Absolute maximum value of the function in the interval 0, 2. Okay. Now the options are, write down the options. The first option is 8. Second option is 1. Third option is 6. And the last option is 5. Now write down the solution. What is given? Let f of x equal to 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x plus 1. Right? So, first of all, what I have to do? I have to differentiate this. Finding the first derivative, differentiating with respect to x, f dash x is equal to 3 to the 6x square, 9 to the 18x plus 12. Okay? Second derivative, f dash x, f double dash x, 2 6 are 12x minus 18. So, we know that for maximum or minimum value, we have to equate f dash x equal to 0. Therefore, for maximum or minimum, f dash x equal to 0. What is your f dash x? That is 6x square minus 18x plus 12 is equal to 0. If I divide throughout the equation by 6, I am getting this 6 1s are 6 3s are 6 2s are. So this equation becomes x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Or if I find the factors of this, I am getting this x is equal to 1, 2. Okay. Now, after getting the values of x equal to 1, 2, if I substitute in f double dash x, what happened? If I substitute 1, if x is equal to 1, then f double dash x, what is f double dash x? That is 12x minus 18. So, f double dash 1 is equal to 12 minus 18, which is equal to minus 6, which is less than 0. Therefore, it means that it is maximum at the point minus at the point which is equal to 1. Therefore, the maximum value is I am substituting x equal to 1 again in the equation 1, that is f of x is nothing but your f of 1 is equal to 1 into cube is 1, 1 into 2, 2, minus 1, 1 into 9 is 9, plus 12 plus 1. So 12, 14, 15, 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. Therefore, my option is the third one. That is third option, 6. So this is the absolute maximum value. The question is, this is also from last year examinations. That is, write down the problem. Equation of from tangents and normal. The equation of the tangent, the equation of the t, I am just writing in short form because the question is maybe lengthy. So for tangent, all of you know it is TJT, tangent to the curve. Curve is defined x into y power of 5 plus 2x square y, 2x square y minus x cube plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. At x equal to 0 is, what is asking? Basically, he is asking equation of tangent, but he has given a very lengthy equation. So don't confuse by seeing the lengthy equation. You are so perfect in doing the differentiation part. Okay, so easily you can do the differentiation part. The options given are, the first option is 3x plus 4y is plus 4 is equal to 0. Second option is y equal to x minus 1. Third option is 5x plus 7y is equal to minus 7. And the fourth option is x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, write down the solution. What is given? Given curve is x y power of 5 plus 2x square y minus x cube plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So, I am basically interested in finding the equation of tangent means I want the value of dy by dx. So, I am doing the same thing, differentiating with respect to x. So, this is in the form of ub. So, first into derivative of second, right? X into y5. X into y5. So, first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. X power of question number is 7. X y power of 5. So 5 x as it is into 5 y power of 4 into dy by dx, that is y1 plus y power of 5 into derivative of x is 1 plus again it is again in form 2 as it is x square first into derivative of 1 plus second y into derivative of first 2x, right, minus derivative of x cube is nothing but 3 x square plus derivative of y is again y1 is equal to 0. Okay, I have done only the differentiation part, right? Now you see that what he is given at the point x equal to 0. Here only I want to simplify this. Here only I want to simplify this. Now if I substitute at x is equal to 0, because you are having here very big equation is there, so don't worry. If I put x equal to 0, see what happened. This 0 into something 0. This is y power of 5 is left over plus this x square, x is 0, this x already 0 plus x square x, this is also 0 plus y is equal to 0. So it means that I am getting only only, that is y power of 5 plus y is equal to 0 into some dy by dx is also there. So this is x is 0 means this part will be 0. No? So plus y power of 5, right? Plus this is 0. This is 0. Therefore, at x equal to 0, this is nothing but y dash is equal to 0, that is y1. y1 is equal to 0. Sorry, not 0, but it is nothing but 1. y1 is equal to 1. So this implies that y1 is equal to 1. Now, y1 is equal to 1 means we are having the point what he has given, x is equal to 0 is given. If I substitute x is equal to 0 in this equation, I may get the value for y. Therefore, substituting x equal to 0 in the given equation, I am getting y is equal to -1. So, therefore, equation of tangent at 0, -1 is y minus y1 plus 1 is equal to m. What is m? 1 into x minus x1. What is x1? 0. So this is nothing but y plus 1 is equal to x, or y equal to x minus 1, which is coincides to option number 2. Is it clear? Therefore, second option is my correct answer. Okay, y equal to x minus 1. Question number is 9. The question is, this is from rate measure. A particle moves in a straight line such that its displacement s in meters at a time t in seconds is given by some equation is given. St is equal to t cube minus 4 t square plus 70. Full stop. The instantaneous velocity v at t is equal to 4 seconds is, the options are, the first option is 21 meter per second, second option is 23 meter per second, third option is 20 meter per second, and the fourth option is 19 meter per second. What he is saying, a particle moves in a straight line such that its displacement s at a time t is given by the relation. One relation is given. So you have to find the velocity at t is equal to 4. Velocity is nothing but ds by dt. So if you just differentiate this once, you are getting ds by dt. Therefore, within a second, you can get the answer. Okay. Now, write down the solution. given s of t is equal to t cube minus 4t square plus 7t. Therefore, differentiating, this is nothing but ds by dt. I named as v. All of you know that v is the velocity. So, this is nothing but 3t square, 4 2s are 8t plus 7. And he has at the point t is equal to 4 seconds. So, ds by dt at the point at t is equal to 4 seconds. That is 3 into 16 minus 8 into 4 plus 7. 16 is 48. 48 plus 49 minus is equal to, I am getting the answer as 23 meters per second. So, which is the correct answer? Second option, right? So, this is also asked in 2021 examination in some another section. So, there are 3 questions we will be asking from the application of derivative. 10th question is, if the two curves x is equal to y square and xy is equal to k, cut each other at right angles, then the possible value of k, is, first option is 1 by 8, second option is 1 by 2, third option is 1 by root 2, and the fourth option is 1 by 2 root 2. Yes, what is given? Two curves are given, and these two curves cut each other at right angles. So, it means that we have to find the value of m1, m2 is equal to minus 1. Then we get this some value for k. So, he is asking that value of k. Okay. Now, write down. Given curves are x is equal to y square and xy is equal to, they are very simple equation. So, I am differentiating the both equations, differentiating with respect to x. So, this is nothing but dx is equal to 2y into dy, or dy by dx is nothing but 1 by 2y. m1 is equal to dy by dx is equal to 2y will go to the denominator and it will become 1 by 2y. Similarly, if I differentiate this, what I am getting? m2 is equal to d2 dy by dx is equal to derivative 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, that is minus of k by x square. So, according to the problem, the curves are at right angles. So, m1, m2 is equal to minus 1. So, this implies that what is my m1? 1 by 2y into what is m2? Minus k by x square is equal to minus 1. Or if I just cross multiply, I am getting k is equal to 2x square y. This can be written as 2x into xy. I can write. You have no objection in writing this. So, this is my first equation and this is my second equation. Now, the purpose of doing is this. I want to substitute equation 2. What is equation 2? xy. xy is equal to k. Therefore, k is equal to 2x into k in place of xy. It means that k cancel. So, I am left over, that is 1 is equal to 2x, or x is equal to 1 by 2. right? So if I substitute x equal to 1 by 2 in the first equation, substituting x equal to 1 by 2 in equation 1, that is y is equal to root x. So this is nothing but x equal to 1 by root 2. Therefore, I got both the values, that is x and y, and he asked the possible value of k. So ultimately, I have to substitute both in equation 2. Therefore, k is equal to xy. This is from equation 2. What is x? 1 by 2. What is y? 1 by root 2. So, which gives me 1 by 2 root 2. Therefore, my answer is 1 by 2 root 2. That is the fourth option. If the tangent to the curve, one curve is defined, xy plus ax plus by is equal to 0 at the point 1, 1 makes an angle tan inverse 2 with x-axis. With x-axis, then a plus b whole divided by ab is equal to, you want the value of a plus b by ab in terms of some numeric. Okay, now write down the options. The first option is 0, second option is 1 by 2, and the third option is minus 1 by 2, and the fourth option is plus 2. Okay, now write down the solution. What is asking? A tangent to the curve. One curve is given at some point 1, 1, it is making some angle tan inverse 2. Usually he will give angle in some other way. Now he is given in terms of inverse, don't worry. So you have to use tan inverse 2 is equal to some theta. So you make it as tan theta is equal to 2. Okay. Now write down the solution. This given equation or given curve is xy plus ax plus by is equal to 0. If I differentiate this with respect to x, what I am getting? X into dy by dx plus a plus b into dy by dx is equal to 0. If I take out dy by dx common, and so simultaneously x is equal to 1, b is equal to 1. If I substitute the point, put x equal to 1, comma, y is equal to 1, I may get the, what is the value I am getting here? If I substitute 1 is equal to 1, here is 1 plus x is equal to 1, a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0. At x equal to 1, y is equal to 1, equation 1, otherwise I write here, at x equal to 1, comma, y is equal to 1, equation 1, this is my equation 1, becomes, this is 1, this is 1, so a plus b, a, equation 1, becomes a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0. Is it clear? Therefore, my, what is the value of that is dy by dx? X dy by dx, x is equal to 1. So dy by dx plus 1 A is equal to A is equal to minus B minus 1, right? Therefore, dy by dx plus 1 plus A plus B into dy by dx is equal to 0, right? Because this u will now first into derivative x into dy by dx plus y into 1. So y into 1 is here x into dy by dx. I will write you one more step so that it is very clear to you. See, if I differentiate this equation, first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first plus here derivative of x is 1, that it become a only, plus b will remain as it is, derivative y become dy by dx is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 means dy by dx plus y is equal to 1 as it is, plus a as it is, plus b into dy by dx is equal to 0. So with this dy by dx, if I take out dy by dx common, what is inside? 1 plus b is common. If I shift this to this side, it becomes minus of 1 plus a. Okay? Or what is given? Theta is equal to, let theta is equal to tan inverse 2. So this means that tan theta is equal to 2. Therefore, dy by dx, what is my dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to tan theta is equal to 2. Tan theta is nothing but my dy by dx. M is equal to tan theta. Therefore, 2 into dy by dx is equal to minus of, this can be written as 1 plus a divided by, this will go to the denominator, 1 plus b, which is equal to, if I divide, this is given as 2, because tan theta is equal to 2, or this on simplification, I am getting that b is equal to 2b plus 2, or b is equal to, if I simplify this, 2b minus b is equal to b is equal to minus 2. So I am getting the value of b is equal to minus 2. If I substitute here again, what I am getting? A plus b is equal to 1, a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0, a minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So which gives me a is equal to plus 1. Therefore, what is my required answer? What he is asking? The value of a plus b by ab. So a plus b is nothing but 1 minus 2 by 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. So 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1 whole divided by minus 2, minus minus cancel. This gives me plus 1 by 2. So the answer is the second option. Is it clear? So he wants the value of a and b in terms of the numeric. So see, this is very totally different question, right? Is it clear? Right? So actually what is given? A curve is given. We have differentiated this curve. It is in the form of ub, x into dy by dx plus y into 1 plus derivative of x is 1, a plus b as it is, derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to 0. So if I substitute x equal to 1, y is equal to 1, here x is 1, at x equal to 1, y equal to 1, here is dy by dx plus 1 plus a plus b dy by dx equal to 0. So from this I want to take out the value of dy by dx, which is nothing but dy by dx equal to minus of 1 plus a whole divided by 1 plus b. And here, what is dy by dx is equal to m. What is m? And theta. So with the help of theta, I have got the value of tan theta is equal to 2, right? So in place of dy by dx, I am substituting 2. Therefore, on simplifying, this, I'm getting this equation as b is equal to 2b, b is equal to 2b plus 2. Okay. So with this, if I simplify, I'm getting b is equal to minus 2. So if I substitute b is equal to minus 2 in the equation above, means in the first equation from where I get the value as a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0. If I substitute in a plus b plus 1 is equal to 0, that is b is equal to minus 2, I am getting a is equal to 1. Okay. Therefore, after getting the value of a and b, if I substitute in the required result, so I am getting as, that is a plus b by ab is equal to 1 by 2. Right? Is it clear? So you may ask me, sir, we ask in the terms of numeric. So my answer is 1 by 2. So wish you all the best.